Control flow in Python dictates the execution order of statements, enabling complex logic. Loops, like for and while, allow efficient task repetition. For loops iterate over sequences, while while loops execute as long as conditions are true, streamlining code and processing large datasets effectively. Control flow in Python dictates the execution order of statements, crucial for implementing complex logic. Loops, a key component, allow task repetition efficiently, reducing redundancy. Python offers two primary loop types: for loops, which iterate over sequences, and while loops, which execute as long as a condition is true, streamlining data processing. Loops are essential for automation, allowing efficient processing of large datasets, web scraping, and running simulations. For instance, validating 10,000 user emails requires just a few lines of code with loops, instead of 10,000 repetitive lines. They streamline data processing, application programming interface calls, and batch file operations, making complex tasks manageable. The for loop iterates over sequences like lists, tuples, and strings, assigning each element to a variable. This allows for efficient processing of data structures. For example, iterating over a list of numbers can easily compute squares, while iterating over a string can transform characters. Using range simplifies numeric sequence iteration, enhancing code flexibility and readability. The while loop executes code as long as a condition is true, perfect for unknown iteration counts. Ensure conditions eventually become false to prevent infinite loops. Control statements like break, continue, and pass modify loop behavior. Break exits, continue skips, and pass does nothing, allowing precise control over loop execution.